In order to open the SIM tray, in order to eject it on a Realme Note 7TT, first of all we need to prepare the eject tool that you can find inside the box. On the left side of the smartphone you should be able to find the SIM tray, and there is also this hole over here, so we need to insert the eject tool into that hole and then push it in with a little bit of force until the SIM tray pops out, which should go off really easily. Then you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the smartphone. There we go. And this is how the SIM tray looks like. So as you can see, we have dual SIM and a memory card slot. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to insert all of these. So in this case, we can just insert a SIM card like this. Here we have this cut port. There's also a slot for the second SIM, so let's insert it as well. However, we need to be careful because these slots are really loose. So in order not to drop them, you will have to be careful. And also, let's insert the memory card. There we go, I just dropped one SIM card by accident. And we also have to be careful when we insert them back into the phone. Over here, we can also read on this top side, as I'm holding this right now, we can read that this is the front. Alright, so let's insert it back into the phone and let's try not to drop SIM cards and the memory card in the process. Let's see if we can actually do this. There we go. You might want to wiggle it just a little bit and then push it all the way in with your fingers. Make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything. If it doesn't want to go in, just make sure that your SIM cards and the memory card is inserted properly. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.